Hi everyone. hVI provides double-stranded DNA quantitation kits that use handheld fluorometers to measure DNA concentration quickly. This fluorescence detection method has the advantages of rapid detection, high sensitivity, and accuracy. People have gradually focused on agricultural quarantine and medical rapid screening. To reduce the cost and waiting time of diagnosis, emerging portable inspection instruments with rapid and convenient characteristics have been utilized. Our DNA fluorometer can attain inspection results within a few minutes, and contribute to the personnel of bioindustry in-site inspection. Double-stranded DNA quantitation assays allow precise quantitation of purified double-stranded DNA samples across a wide range of concentrations. Unlike absorbance-based nucleic acid quantitation, fluorescent DNA binding dyes are highly sensitive and selective for double-stranded DNA, and provide a more accurate DNA concentration in the presence of contaminating RNA, and other common contaminants including free nucleotides, protein, detergents, and salts. hVI offers 3 double-stranded DNA quantitation kits for different instruments and sample concentration ranges. The double-stranded DNA quantitation kits include Broad-Range Kit, High Sensitivity Kit and Ultra High Sensitivity Kit. The kits also differ in their tolerance of various contaminants. Please see the following specifications of double-stranded DNA quantitation kits. The linear range of Broad-Range Quantitation Kit is from 2 to 2000 nanogram. Assay can be extended to 4000 nanogram with minor loss of linearity. The blue fluorescence detection compatible with our handheld fluorometer. The linear range of High Sensitivity Quantitation Kit is from 0.2 to 100 nanogram. Membrane impermeable dye is non-toxic and non-mutagenic. For safer handling and easy disposal, the green fluorescence detection compatible with our handheld fluorometer. The linear range of Ultra High Sensitivity Quantitation Kit is from 0.03 to 250 nanogram. The assay is based on a novel next-generation DNA binding dye, which offers unrivaled sensitivity and dynamic range compared to other DNA dyes. Novel green fluorescent dye is a perfect match for blue LED excitation sources. The green fluorescence detection compatible with our handheld fluorometer. Here are 4 easy steps for detection. Step 1. Prepare quantitation working solution. Step 2. Add working solution. Step 3. Add standards or samples. Step 4. Measure fluorescence. Note: all kits are stored in 4 degrees Celsius, and the shelf life is 12 months if properly stored. hVI offers 3 double-stranded DNA quantitation kits for different fluorometers and sample concentration ranges. To measure DNA concentration, with a portable fluorometer, it can do a rapid detection and obtain the test results within minutes. If you have other detection requirements or customized requirements, please contact us. Thank you.